everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I sometimes throw in bonus videos throughout the week, like Wednesdays and Fridays. So with that being said, you all, I am here to share a review on my Louis Vuitton Graceful, because when I did the unboxing, I showed that I saw some type of situation going on with my bag. Not the unboxing, I think it was, yeah, it was the unboxing. And y'all, I was just like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So here to let y'all know if I kept the bag, did I return her, did I get my money back, did they fix it, or what. So if you want to know what ended up happening, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to please keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, please don't forget to click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this hair review. Find out if I still have the bag. Yeah. So drum roll please. So yeah, I still have her. She's right here. Like I stated in that video, I was on my way, well, not that day, but I was in the process of getting to the Louis Vuitton store, because what I ended up doing, I did call the Louis Vuitton store that I purchased this here particular bag from, because if I didn't mention, I did get this bag from the Louis Vuitton in Florida. Go and grab the box. So like I was saying, when I did the unboxing, so excited about the whole me being able to find the Graceful that I didn't really pay attention to the details of the bag. I looked over it, but I really didn't like comb through it like that. So when I ended up deciding to wear it, I was just like, oh my goodness, like what. After filming that video, I just wrapped everything back up and just put the bag up in my closet, because at the time I was using my Gucci crossbody because it still was warm, because I think I got that bag in September. And y'all know here in Georgia it's still warm in September. I think it didn't cool down until like the middle of October, almost the end of October. When I opened the bag, I kind of panicked, because I was just like, oh my goodness, because I had the bag almost a month. After reading y'all comments and things, I was like, you know what, let me just call the store, because I know I didn't get it from the Louis Vuitton here in the Atlanta area. Now I know you can take it to any Louis Vuitton, but I just wanted to confirm with the store that I purchased it from. When I called, she was really nice. She thought I was talking about like up here. I was like, no, it's down here in the back. It was like, oh, if you get deodorant on it, you can take a wet baby wipe and blah blah blah. And I'm like, no ma'am. First of all, I didn't even wear the bag, and then on top of that, it's nowhere at the top part of the bag. It was like here down here where I had no control on what got on the bag. So like I said, she was really nice. She did tell me that one option was for me to send the bag in, inspect the bag, and then they can let me know what they can do. And I didn't want to do that, because I just felt like once the bag leave me, who's to say what may happen? Because if y'all didn't know, I had an issue with Gucci, but I was able to go into the Gucci store, because like I said, if they would have shipped that bag to me and I opened it, I don't know what would have happened if I decided to take the bag back after they sent it to me to say, hey, look, this is what happened. Because I don't know if they would have been like, well, how we didn't know you didn't do it type thing. So I didn't want to do that. So she was like, well, she pulled out my information. She was like, well, you know, you could take it to one of your local Louis Vuitton stores and take it into them and see what they can do. They need to speak to me for whatever reason. Here's my information. So I was like, okay. So I went on the Louis Vuitton website, and I was like, okay, I don't want to stand in a line. So I was like, let me see about booking an appointment. So nothing was available. So I was like, okay, whatever. I was wearing the bag, but I wasn't enjoying it, because I was just like, okay, do I wear the bag or do I put it up until I take it back to the store? Because I just didn't want nothing else to happen to the bag. So I ended up putting it up and just not wearing it at all. Today, fast forward, today is November the 4th, and I went online because I was trying to get Braves tickets because they having a free concert. So I was like, okay, let me go on Louis Vuitton and see if I can book an appointment, because I'm off. I was doing my makeup to film my haul. I was like, okay, let me just book the appointment. So when I went back, they didn't have 12 o'clock, so I ended up booking at 6 o'clock, which I am going to end up having to cancel, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because I went after I did my makeup, something just told me to grab the bag, because I was just like, do I really want to go to Louis Vuitton? Because y'all, I don't know, it's just, I didn't want to be a pain to them, because you can see it, but it wasn't that serious. But for me, paying as much as I paid for this bag, I'm just like, they may look at me like, okay girl, if you don't go somewhere, but I'm like, you know, so I'm just sitting here like, I was like, let me just book it anyway, just in case I do decide to go. So I grabbed the bag, and I don't know, I just took my finger and just started rubbing it really, really hard, like real hard, and it started to flake up or peel up. So I took my tweezers. Now I don't recommend you doing this. This is what worked for me. So I took my tweezers, because it was like a little something that rolled up or whatever. So I took my tweezers, because I couldn't grab it with my finger, and I pulled it off. And y'all, if y'all watch my video with my recto verso card holder, remember when I did the unboxing, it had that white film or whatever that was on there. Like if you rub it hard enough, it comes off. But with that wallet, it had a lot on it, and I wasn't sitting there trying to rub all of that off. Like I just refused to. So I did, you know, switch that out, ended up getting a new one. So let me just say, I'm proud to say your girl got it all. So I don't have to go to Louis Vuitton. I did cancel my appointment. Yeah, you all, it's off. It's off. I am so happy. I'm like, I can deal with that little crease right there. I'm fine with that. I just was more concerned about that little white mark on the bag. So here is the back of the bag. So as you can see, the white mark is gone. I don't know what that white stuff is. I think she said it's something to do with packaging or something. I don't know. But like I told her when I took in my wallet, I'm not here to peel that off. It needs to be done before y'all ship it to y'all customers. Like that's not our job, because if y'all don't know, Louis Vuitton employees, this shit ain't cheap. So yeah, ain't nobody gonna be rubbing and peeling. But I did that for this bag because I just, y'all, to be honest, I didn't really feel like being bothered. Really didn't. So I am happy to say the white, whatever was on here, is off. But it do have like that little creasing right here. But yeah, like one of my YouTuber friends was like, that'll let you know that it's your bag and it's unique, and that's exactly how it's going to go moving forward, because I don't even want to be bothered, because who's to say I'll be able to get this bag again, because it is sold out online, because I check every day. It's not at the store, so I'm like, you know what, like I said, the white part is off, because that part did bother me. Kept looking at it, and someone in the comments was like, Tamika, just take it in, because I know how you are, it's gonna bother you, because some of y'all know me. And I was like, she right. And so it did bother me. Saved my bag, like I saved her. I did not want to be bothered with Louis Vuitton, like I didn't. So the inside is still pretty. One of y'all left a comment stating that y'all purchased this bag and y'all ordered a Samorga organizer. Let me know down below what color did y'all get, because I don't know if I want to put in an organizer, but to keep the red looking pretty, I think I may have to. But I don't know if putting in an organizer will take away the slouchiness of the bag, because I do like slouchy bags. I am just so happy I was able to fix the situation. I just didn't want to be bothered with Louis Vuitton. Like I just didn't. She's all better now. She didn't have to go into the hospital or anything like that. I just wanted to show you the bag again. And y'all, let me tell you, this bag is the PM size, but let me just say, holds a lot and is a really good size. Like I don't know what I was thinking when I brought the Delightful MM. That bag was really big, and like I said, this bag holds so much. Like, oh my goodness, I think it's about the same or a little bigger than, I don't know, it may be the same as a Neverfull. Maybe I'll do a comparison video on the two, because I do have a Neverfull and Monogram, and then I have this. And I tell you, I am so in love with this bag. It's just that I don't go out that often, so I don't wear her as much, because like I said, when I come home from work, I'm using my Longchamp bag. So, you know, if I don't go nowhere, I don't, you know. When I tell you I love this bag, like, I love the slouchiness of this bag. I just love everything about this bag. Decided on not getting my initials. What I think I may do is just get like a symbol, like a heart, maybe some Chinese letters that mean something. I don't know if Louis Vuitton has like a little booklet or like some type of something that shows you different things that they can put on these here tags. I don't know. I don't think I want my initial. I don't. So yeah, if y'all have y'all's hot stamp, let me know what you have on yours besides a name, your initials, because if you have something other than initials, just let me know down below. I don't think I need to really share what's in my bag because, like I said, I take a lot of my stuff out because I carried in my other bag during the week. I did get this little hand sanitizer from Ulta because I do have the bigger one. And I also got that from Ulta. This here is the Towerland Power Mist, y'all. When I tell you I love these here hand sanitizers, because I try and keep a hand sanitizers in all my bags. Yeah, I have a problem. Like, I have receipts everywhere. I need to go ahead and get rid of these here receipts. But with that Gucci, with that Louis Vuitton, with that red, yeah, I am thinking of getting another cosmetic pouch. I don't know. I was thinking about getting the one that looks like this, but I don't know. I'm still not sure yet. And I'm also thinking about getting a Louis Vuitton key thing because it's crazy. Because today it was raining, so I ran to go take my daughter to the bus, and I just grabbed my keys because, like I said, with Gucci not having that little slot where you can slide in cards, I have to carry two, and I did not think to grab my other wallet, and my other wallet had my key card to get in. Thank God I got two, because and then the crazy thing about it is, y'all, I left my phone in the house. So I was just like, because the key card in my car, I don't use that often. So when I tried to use it at the front gate, it didn't work, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I don't have my cell phone on me. I didn't have my watch where I can make phone calls. I don't know nobody around here. So I'm like, okay, please, Lord, let this work at the second gate. It did, thank God. And when I pulled in, I was like, okay, Tamika, you need to probably look into purchasing that key pouch. It don't have to be Louis Vuitton, because I have been looking, because a lot of people have been saying Coach have them and other places do, but I didn't see none on the Coach website, because I'm like, okay, see, if that ever happens again, I didn't think to grab my other wallet, because like I said, I was so used to with the Louis Vuitton one, you know, everything was inside of the you know, inside the key pouch. And like I said, with that Gucci, I have none of my cards or important things in that key pouch. So today really made me think, okay, I may need to purchase that. And y'all, let me tell you, y'all may already know I'm new. Nordstrom's have a Louis Vuitton store, and I called because I accumulated Nordstrom notes. I got like $90. I got $90 worth of Nordstrom notes. I had them for a while. I just had them sitting there because I wasn't sure what to buy, y'all. Let me tell you, I just found out that you can use Nordstrom notes. Like I said, y'all probably already knew, but yeah, I just found out you can use Nordstrom notes. I was told you only could use two. Only got one, which is $90. So I was like, if I decide to get that key pouch, which it is available, I have $90 to go towards that. This time I didn't know. Like, all this time I really didn't know, you all. Like somebody has said, you didn't know. No, I did not know Louis Vuitton was inside of Nordstrom's and Neiman Marcus and all that. Like, I didn't. Now I knew it was inside of Saks, but I didn't know it was inside of Nordstrom. And I was told you can use up to 2 Nordstrom notes. And I'm like, oh my goodness. If I do decide to get the Louis Vuitton key pouch, I have $90 to go towards that, which will really help with that purchase, because I don't think they went up in price during the price increase. I'm not sure, because it is cheaper than the zipper one. So yeah, you all, I'm just rambling. I just wanted to let y'all know I was able to save my girlfriend, so she didn't have to go to the hospital or anything like that. She's here to stay in my collection. This is why I didn't keep none of my YSL bags, because I felt like with this, I plan to wear this all winter long, and I'm going to commit to that, because I have a thing where when I purchase a bag, a new bag, I'll go and put it up and I won't wear it for a while. Plan to purchase a bag right now, but again, y'all never know, they can change. But my birthday is coming up, y'all, and I'm turning 45, so I don't know what I may treat myself to for my birthday. I was looking at some red bottoms, more so shoes, because I feel like I'm kind of okay with my bag collection. So now I feel like maybe I should invest in some really nice shoes. Thing with the red bottoms, I don't wear heels like that. I used to, but I don't know if I want to get back to wearing heels like that. And to pay that kind of money, I want to wear the shoe all the time, because you know red bottoms not cheap. So I don't know what I may get, y'all. I don't know. Maybe a new bag. Who knows? So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed Louis Vuitton Graceful PM review. Well, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.